Prometheus comes with a set of arithmetic operators that you can see on this screen, and in this lecture we want to learn about them. So as you see in this table, plus is for addition. For example, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Minus is for subtraction. Star is for multiplication. Forward slash is for division. Percentage is for the remainder of a division, and we also have the power sign. So let's see how they work. If you apply any of these operators onto scalar value, for example, onto float values, you obviously will get another scalar or float value. For example, if you apply it on 2 and 2, obviously you will get 4, which is a scalar or a float or integer value. However, if you apply any of these operators on a scalar value and an instant vector, what happens is that that scalar value will be applied on every single member of the instant vector. For example, if you have an instant vector and it has 2 rows, 5 and 6, then you plus it with, like, say 5, then you will get 10 and 11. In fact, we can go to Prometheus and try this. Okay, I'm in Prometheus now. We can click inside expression box and just type a random letter, for example P, and then Prometheus will suggest some metrics. You can choose any of these, and then press enter, and then you will see that we get one instant vector with 1 row or value, and its value is 1. Now, if I go to expression box and say plus 6, you will see that the value on the right side will change to 7, and that means that 6 is applied to every member of this instant vector. Let's choose another one. Okay, this one has 2 members. So if I say this one is plus 5 and press enter, you will see that all values will go up by 5. If I say minus 5, let's remove the plus and see the actual values. So that's 550 and 333. If I say minus 10, then it becomes 540 and 323. So you will see that the value of scalar is applied on every value in the instant vector. Now, if you apply any of these operators on 2 instant vectors, any item on the left instant vector will be applied on the matching item on the right side vector. If there is no matching item, which means there is no metric with the same name and same labels, you will get no item in the resulting instant vector. So look at these examples. Imagine we have an instant vector called A, and the items are M1A, M1B until M1F. So they have the same metric name, but they have different labels and they have different values as well. Now we have another instant vector with 2 rows in it, 2 items, and the metric names are M1, labels are A and B, and the values are 37 and 6. Now, if I say A plus 5, just like what we saw in Prometheus, you will see that 5 is added to every single value in vector A, but the vector you get, the instant vector you get, is new. So you are not actually changing the vector A when you apply scalar on an instant vector, or when you apply an operator on 2 instant vectors, you always get a new instant vector. So if we say A plus B, what happens is that M1A and M1B, because they exist in both instant vector A and instant vector B, they will appear in the resulting instant vector and their values are summed up together. However, M1C to M1F, because they exist in instant vector A, but they don't exist in instant vector B, they don't appear in the resulting instant vector.